Okay, now student, we will discuss about in page 191. Okay, page 191 is stage. It is in platform is made with 5 mathematic books. Okay, how many mathematic books is there? 5 mathematic books is there. The volume of the stage is the same as dash centimeter cube. So we have to find the stage. Okay, we have to find the volume of the stage. Okay, we will find the volume of the stage, and the stage is made with 5 mathematic books. So we can assume that the mathematic books is the length of mathematic books. We can assume that suppose these are mathematic books. It's like a mathematic books. Okay, so first you have to understand the length. Okay, see see your mathematic books. I think it will be suppose 25 centimeter lengthwise. Okay, suppose it is 25 centimeter lengthwise and breadthwise wide, or we can write breadth. Suppose it is 10 centimeter and its height is 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. So lengthwise how many lengthwise how many 1 centimeter cube we can place there? Lengthwise how many lengthwise, this is lengthwise how many 1 centimeter cubes we can put? 25. Okay, 25 lengthwise we can put. Above 10th wise above the 25 cubes, again we can put 25 uh, 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, so in this way we can arrange the 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, lengthwise this way. Okay, and wide breadthwise how many 1 centimeter cube we can arrange? Breadth is 10 centimeter, so we can arrange 10 1 centimeter cubes breadthwise. Lengthwise we can arrange 10 centimeter cubes. Okay, uh, lengthwise we can arrange 25 1 centimeter cube, because height is 1 centimeter, and breadthwise we can arrange how many cubes? 10 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, so the volume of one mathematic books will be the volume of one mathematic book we can guess. Okay, we can guess volume of one mathematic book will be 25 into 10 into 1, that means 250. Okay, but we have to find 5 mathematic book. Okay, we have to find 5 mathematic book. So 5 mathematic book volume of 5 mathematic book will be 250 into 5, that means 0 to 5 5 to 25, carry 2 5 to the 10 12. Okay, this centimeter cube. So a stage is made with 5 mathematic books. The volume of this stage is same as 1250. Okay, 1250 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, we can arrange there 1250 1 centimeter cubes like this. Okay, like this. This is same as if we put 125, if we put 125 1250 1 centimeter cubes, we can put in 5 mathematic books. Okay, so how we find the volume of 5 mathematic books? Because a stage is made with 5 mathematic books, and we have to find the volume of the stage. Okay, we have to find the volume of the stage. So what we have to find? First we have to find the volume of one mathematic book. So volume of one mathematic book by guess we can find by using this. We can assume that length is 25, wide that means breadth is 10, and height is 1. Okay, so volume of one mathematic book will be, lengthwise we can arrange 25 1 centimeter cubes, 25 1 centimeter cubes, breadthwise 10 centimeter cubes, and height is 1. So volume of one mathematic book is 25 into 10 into 1, that means 250. This is the volume of one mathematic books. Then volume of 5 mathematic book will be just this 250 multiplied by 5, then 1250. Okay, so this way we can find the volume of this stage. Now guess the volume of these things in centimeter cubes. Okay, so first one is number 2, a matchbox is about dash centimeter cubes. So matchbox is like this. Okay, so how many 1 centimeter cubes, how many 1 centimeter cubes, we can put there? If we assume that, if we guess that the height of the matchbox is 1 centimeter, height of the matchbox is 1 centimeter. Okay, so how many 1 centimeter 1 centimeter cubes, how many 1 centimeter cubes we can put? If we assume that the length of the matchbox is, if we assume that the length of the matchbox is 10 centimeter, okay, and breadth is 5. If we assume that in the matchbox length is 10 and breadth is 5, okay, then volume, how many 1 centimeter cubes we can arrange? 10 into 5, because lengthwise we can put 10. Okay, 10 1 centimeter cubes box, we can arrange 10 1 centimeter cube box over there, and breadthwise 5 1 centimeter cube box we can put there. So its volume will be 10 into 5 into 1, that means 50. Okay, that means 50. Okay, so 50 centimeter cubes. Next, geometry box is about similar way. Geometry box, if we assume that the length of geometry box, assume, that means we are guessing that length of geometry box is 10 centimeter, breadth is suppose 10 centimeter, okay, and height is, we guess that height is 1 centimeter. Then volume, how many we can arrange? We can arrange 20 into 10 into 1, that means 200 centimeter cubes. Okay, similar way, number 3, an eraser is about dash centimeter cubes. Okay, similar way you will find it. Okay, similar way, student, you find it, an eraser. Okay, an eraser is about dash centimeter cubes. The similar way, you guess that the length of the eraser and the breadth of the eraser, and we assume that height of the eraser is 1 centimeter. So similar way we can put that the values, how many 1 centimeter cube box we can put there. Okay, because by guess, because the question is how will you check your guess, discuss it. Okay, so how we find it? We have to guess by using 1 centimeter cube box. So how many 1 centimeter cube box we can put there? By using this, we have to find the volume of matchbox, geometry box, okay, and eraser. Thank you.